Now, good day. Welcome to our channel, Sabi Makeup YouTube channel. We don't already make plenty videos for your personal viewing. Today we go make another one. We want to learn how to make different types of black soaps, but the first one where we want to start with now, lightening black soap. We want to use natural ingredients. You know, we don't know say chemicals not too good for our body, so all the things, almost everything where we go use make this black soap now natural ingredients. I beg, watch out for the next section. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell so that anytime where we post our videos, you go to see them. Thank you. So welcome back. Today we want to learn how to make lightening black soap from your house. If you make them, it's very easy. We go first of all use Ghana black soap. Ghana black soap, if you get them from any shop. Okay, so the first thing where we go do now to crumple the soap, break them. See how the soap look here. They don't make them already. If you watch our channel, we go see how to make this soap from scratch too. But for this one, they don't make them finish already. Okay, so what thing we go do now to break the soap into pieces. Okay, so we don't pieces the soap finish. Now we get other ingredients here where we go use, where they're very good for the body. All right, we get our carrots powder. Carrots na antioxidants. They brighten skin too. We get our camwood. Okay, we get our sandalwood. Those ones too na to suit irritation. Where if you use the soap, you no go irritate you for body. Another thing where we go use na orange peel powder. This orange peel powder, they very good for the body. Just like they lick orange and it is good for your body, it gets many nutrients, many vitamins where they very nice. We get our goat's milk. Just like they drink milk too, they use all natural ingredients to make this soap. We get our mulberry extract. It's made from mulberry tree. We get our coconut oil. We also get our glycerin. We get our honey, and we get our almond oil. All these things we go use them for this soap. We get our kaolin clear. Kaolin clear go help to exfoliate the skin. By exfoliate, I mean if you get as you day every day you get dead skin for your body. If you get soap where we say when you use them, it go help to remove the dead skin. It go make your skin brighter. We also go use another powder where we call kojic dip. That kojic dip na brightening powder. All these things are made from natural ingredients. So after I don't crumple my soap finish, okay, the next thing where I go do now to add my powders. So I don't already tell you, I get my orange powder, I get my goat's milk, I get my camwood, I get my carrots powder, I get my sandalwood. I don't measure all of them finish. This na the spoon where I use measure 1 tablespoon each of them. So I go add them here and I go mix my soap together. Another, I go add all the powders together. Okay. I go mix them. Another thing where I go add here now my honey. This now 50 ml honey. I go add them for here. This honey now original. Honey get ability to heal the skin. Okay, like you don't they use chemical all this while and your skin don't they get issues. Honey go repair them. So now why it is very very necessary to use honey for most of the black soaps. I go add my coconut oil. I go add my coconut oil. I go come also add my almond oil. All these oils, they're very very necessary. Like the coconut oil go also help to repair your skin or help for dry skin. Person will get dry skin. This one, the almond oil, go nourish your skin as well. It is very very good for the skin. Okay, so I go mix them. I won't add all the oils together. I go add my vegetable glycerin. This one go soften the body when they use them. Go reduce the harshness too of the soap. So I go begin to mix all of them together. Now welcome back. As you know, I don't see them with the other ingredients where I add. I don't mix everything together. I go still get ingredients to add. I won't add my carrot oil. I won't add 1 full spoon. Okay, that one is turmeric oil. And my turmeric oil be that. I don't add 2 full spoons of turmeric oil. I can't add 1 full spoon of carrot oil. Then I go come add my mulberry extract. This one go help for brightening. Now natural agent for brightening. I go come add lemon oil. Some people they use lemon juice. If you get lemon juice, it's still they okay. I don't add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then my kaolin clay. My kaolin clay go help exfoliate the skin. It go help clean deeply into the skin. So as you dey use am, even if you be acne prone person where they get pimple and acne, you fit use am because it go exfoliate, and when it exfoliate, it go help ingredients to enter, and it go help the vitamins where you use make this soap to enter your body well. So I don't add them. And then I get my mulberry extract here. I get my kojic dip. So I don't add all the powders there. I go still mix everything together to make sure say I get fine consistency. Make I no forget my lactic or my citric acid. My citric acid too, they help to brighten. They also help to cleanse deeply. So I don't add my small citric acid for there. Mix everything together to get fine consistency. Make sure say everything don't mix with the soap itself. See how the whole thing they very very smooth and nice. Consistency they very fine. Okay, so we don't almost finish with our black soap now. We want package them. This now your lightening black soap. If you check the consistency, you go keep them for some days to cure. You go keep them for some days for the consistency to blend well. So we go package them. Make sure your container is always sterilized with alcohol. We don't sterilize this our container with alcohol. So you go just carry them for container where go dey easy for you to use. You package them. Okay. Now Christmas don't they approach, so you fit do them, share them to people, your loved ones, your brothers, your sisters. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Abeg, no forget to subscribe to our channel. No forget to turn on the notification bell. You don't see how the consistency dey. This one go dey very nice for your body. You go exfoliate, you go lighten, you go also glow your skin. You go make your skin, your complexion to come out. Thank you for watching our channel.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Sabi Make Am, or follow us on our social media platform at Sabi Make Am, or you fit even call us for this number. Thank you.